Welcome to 2520 Wingfoot Road. This is the single story that you've been waiting for. It's not very often that single stories come on the market, and when they do, they go fast. This home features over 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms plus a den, 3 bathrooms, situated in the sought-after Deer Ridge community within the beautiful Brentwood, California. Featuring a grand entry with tall ceilings, marble floors, formal dining, and formal living rooms. The spacious family room has wood laminate floors, surround sound, and a gas fireplace. The kitchen offers nice updates including cherry cabinets, granite counters, gas stove, pantry, and breakfast bar. This is the home for you. Come take a look and enjoy the tour.